Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So tonight I'm going to share with you one of my easy, creative and healthy dinner recipe. So I just got home from work and decided to make something light and easy for my dinner, and I decided to make tuna salad. So let's start. Alright guys, so let's start making this egg and tuna salad. So I have 2 eggs already boiled. I have 1 cucumber, onion, my lettuce, mustard, mayonnaise. I'm using 1 tuna. I'm also going to add some sweet corn. I'm going to add a little celery salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. So let's start making the salad. So first of all, I'm going to prepare the lettuce, and I already soaked my lettuce in salt water to clean it. So I'm just making 1 serving, so I'm not going to use too much. So my lettuce is already prepared. So now I'm going to prepare the tuna. So I'm going to add a little bit of mustard, just a little bit. And I'm going to add some mayo. And I'm going to add some black pepper. Then I'm going to add some celery salt, a little. I'm going to mix it up. Then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just a little. And again, I'm going to add a little more celery salt to the eggs. slices of tomato. So this is how my dinner is looking, and this is how I maintain my body weight, because I've been getting a lot of questions like how you maintain your body weight, how you stay so slim. So this is it, guys. So now I'm gonna dig in. So guys, even though it's just a salad, it is very tasty and it is very filling. So like the video, comment, share and subscribe for more of my healthy, easy and filling recipes. Bye. Peace out.